window and flowers with light and shadow. Day 1 of 2. So we're gonna learn first day, look at the flowers and simple sketch and start how to paint the flowers. Second day, we will paint shadow and flowers in detail. So this is the reference photo. I took a picture in my studio. So sunlight is coming outside through the window. This is a window. And the shadow is on the opposite direction of the light. So sun and light. So we can see outside something blurry. So we will very simple color outside, and we gonna focusing on shadow area. Okay, so this flower is bougainvillea. Okay, look at this flower is 3 petals gathered to make one flowers. Okay, today's materials color ultramarine deep, sap green, and magenta, ochre, crimson lake, and palette colors, a small sketchbook, and watercolor paper, 2 brushes, and pencil, 2 cups of water, and paper towel. Okay, let's get started. So first, a very simple sketch with 2B pencil. Only I'm going to sketch this flower this way. This is very small, thin, and stem. Allow me to demonstrate, then you can follow my example. Here is 1, 2, 3 leaves, 3 petals. Here is the center of the flower. I'm using blend lines. Draw another petals through the vine. This is for background, just touch the back and forth line, blend line. Here is a sketch I have already done with a 2H pencil. So first we are going to start apply water in the background area. This will be our window. Apply water 2 or 3 times. For the background color, we mix ultramarine and some of magenta and a little bit burnt umber. So apply over the whole window area. We are using vertical strokes and also using the horizontal strokes. Here there is a bit too much water, so I want to remove it brush and with a paper towel. Got some yellow mix sap green. Notice the tree in the background is a little blurry. For this, we use sap green and yellow. Left side, right side. Clean the brush and some opera and green palette together. And take some opera mix with magenta and paint on the petals one by one with value number 1 density from our color chart. And then move your brush very slowly and gently. Okay, allow me to demonstrate. We are gonna get some magenta and little bit thicker and strong color. Getting magenta and crimson lake and paint the flower petals with a slow palm brush stroke while pulling down and a little wiggling. Use the tip of a brush. Notice my pressure start palm and flat, then ends lightly touching with just the tip of the brush. I'm still using the tip of the brush, just touching the paper. I release the pressure and twist the brush at the end. Look at my brush. Okay, follow my example. The bougainvillea is a highly saturated color. For petals, we are using number 4 density in magenta mixed with crimson lake. Notice my brush strokes, slow with a slight twist. Use gentle brush stroke. Do not stay in one spot for too long because the paper is still wet. If we stay in one spot for too long, the paint will spread more than we want it to. We are going to use the same color to paint the stem. Later, we will go over the same stems again with sap green. Why did I do that? After it dries, I'm not sure how much of the original color will show through. But it seems to me to provide a more natural look. Ultramarine mix sap green. Then we paint the leaves and stem again with a mix of sap green and ultramarine with a small tiny brush. Actually, this brush is not tiny. We are painting the leaves the same way we used to paint the petals. Use a brush stroke lightly sometimes, and sometimes press the whole brush firmly. This is stem we paint with sap green mix ultramarine dip. After watercolor dries, the color becomes a little lighter, so we need to mix colors darker at first to get the finished painting we are looking for. Draw stem, ultramarine mix sap green, just touching the paper. Don't push the paper with brush. This press the paper. Okay, we are all done. Next class we will paint the cup, shadow, and flowers in detail.